ganyan ba?
Ito?
Oo, ganyan lang ha.
Lalapit ko ba yung mata ko sa
Yes.
Oo.
Sige. Kailangan sa kanya dalawang space. Pag ganyan ba? Mo naman. Nakikita mo naman dito.
Nakikita mo ba?
Mama, ano ko lang ha? Kasi wala.
Opo. Ten po.
Nakapagsalamin na ba dati?
Ngayon pa lang po.
Batang ko ang baba.
Pero duda ko po to eh. Ewan ko lang dito.
Ganyan ka lang
Wala.
kuya, wag gagalaw ha.
May trust issue sa anak.
Dyan sa gitna, hot or cold.
Huwag kang bebling ka.
Tingin ka lang dyan.
Pero
Huwag lang to, gagalaw eh. Baba, yan. Patang yung baba. Kuya, patong ang baba.
Patong mo yung baba mo.
Yan. Tapos look straight, tas both eyes open. Nagbabasa tayo mamaya. Kuya, bukat. Pag nagbabasa tayo mamaya, huwag kang gaganon ha. Yung normal lang na mata ha. Kasi pansin mo pag gumaganon ka, lumilinaw yung tingin mo. Pagka sa school ba kuya, halimbawa nasa school ka, nakaupo ka sa classroom. Nahihirapan ka ba pag nagsusulat si teacher sa harapan? Ha?
nakaharang.
No, I mean, pag hindi siya nakaharang, halimbawa may kukopyahin ka sa blackboard, nababasa, o kailangan lalapit ka pa para mabasa mo. Malapit ka pa. Tapos, pagka halimbawa hindi mo mabasa, gumaganon ka. Hindi naman, lumalapit ka lang. Forward ka konti, kuya. Ano letters? Okay, dito na tayo sa mas mababa. Yan, pakibasa po. Very good. O, last na to. Pakibasa yan. Okay. O. Pareho lang. Pero pag kuya, pag wala yan, malabo. Mas malinaw talaga pag meron to.
Maligyan natin.
Ayan na, game. Wow! Chicken!
Chicken oil eh. Nakain ako ng... Ako yung palabak.
Yay!
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers.
Alright, I get it. I just do the tongue man. I put the wrong. Okay, got it. Easy. Alright, tongue man. Come on.
Lalagyan ng salamin. Tapos ito yung extra
Take that and
pamunas.
okay, this isn't too bad. This is not as bad as I thought. That thing is kind of scaring me a little bit. Alright, come on, bud. Here we go.
Yung pang-adjust. And then the warranty.
Oh my god, I really said it. Okay.
Tadang!
Do it.
Newberry is the name of the frame.
Did we just collect the hats? Because those are the same hats, right? Interesting. Well, that was. What is happening? Does he? Okay, so I'm guessing. Friend? Slow down. I'll get it.
And let's open mine.
Yeah, better speed up because she doesn't.
Oops! The free sunglasses, whatever. Eee.
I almost wasn't paying attention. What am I doing?
Now before that, let's show the box of my main eyeglasses, new eyeglasses, because I lost my old one. Right, so as you can see, I already opened it. It's Sustain Ultra for high performance. And this is lubricant eye drops because my eyes are dried. They need to be lubricated, you know. So it helps my eyes a lot. So I already dropped my eyes with Sustain Ultra. So I also bought this from EO Executive Optical. Okay. So this is the free. It's a foldable sunglasses. Oops, nice. Oops, nice. And another one. You know what? I feel like it's too fragile. You have to be careful to fold it and unfold it. It's good. It's good to use when you're under the sun. I like it. I like it. There. Let's fold it carefully and put this in its pocket. Yep. There. Great. Then let's open the main one. Yeah. Alright. So it has lifetime service guarantee. Love your eyes. Okay. So it has a free pocket, of course, and pang unscrew siya. There. And then the wiper, another wiper, is a free wiper. And let's see my new eyeglasses, because I lost my old one. I'm gonna put it here. There. Gawa natin siya ng picture. Okay. So, there you go. Here's my new one. Napakagastos. My goodness. I like this cloth wiper kasi it's thicker than this. And meron na rin siyang anti-radiation. Because I work using computer with 2 monitors. Mondays through Fridays. And, you know, radiation also, I mean the light of my monitors also naka-affect to my eyes. They make my eyes dry. Arte-arte ba yan? Ba't kasi nag-English? Panindigan, simulan mo na dahil maganda siya sa personal. Pinihan, suotan natin. Thank you, EO.